Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe now because it is free. Thank you. Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how actually we can pollinate the come out here. So how actually we can pollinate our corn that on the maize plant. So this is the ear or the kernels. The kernel starts to forming. So how actually we can do it? The hand pollination process is just as you can see on the top of the plant. We can see the stamen, which is the male part of the male part, the reproductive organ of the male part from the plant. Uh, at the tassels, we call them as tassels. There is a lots of the thousands of the small pollen grain. It's very tiny. So our aim is just want to take the pollen grain from the tassels to make it stick. Come closer here to make it stick on this on the silks. So we call it silks. Every of the silks were responsible for the pollen grain asset from the tassels that will follow. So let us start our pollination process, our hand pollination process. So firstly, grab you grab the stems of the maize plant. So just do it like this. As you can see, when we do it like this, thousands of the small pollen grain has fallen off and stick on this. Can you zooming out here? Zoom. So the yellow is actually the the pollen grain from the tassels that fallen off. So I want to show you the result that I had. Come on. So this is actually my small corn already forming. It started forming. It is quite small, but it's okay. And then as you can see on the top, we have the tassels, which is the male part of the maize plant. So can you zoom in here? Zoom. So this is the ear. The new ear starts to forming. That starts to come out. So our aim is just, as you can see there, this is the silk. So this silk will accept the pollen grain from the tassels above. So as I did like this, thousands of the pollen grain will fall off and stick on the silk, and the the process will take place. The fertilization process of the corn plant will take place. So come here. So once the double fertilization process occur completely, you will get a perfect shape of the corn. So the kernel will form completely. So I think that's all in this video. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.